In Oakwood town, so dark, so deep, an old library lay fast asleep. Its doors were locked, its windows cracked, but whispers stirred when night turned black. Sara and Ayaan, bold and bright, crept to the library one stormy night. Through a window broken small, they stepped inside this silent hall. The shelves stood tall, the air was still, yet something stirred, it gave a chill. Flip, 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 a book flew wide, its pages whispered from inside. Welcome readers brave and true, the Midnight Library waits for you. Another book began to glow, it spilled out sand like desert snow. One sprayed waves upon the floor, another howled a ghostly roar. A shadowy wolf came stepping near, his glowing eyes both strange and clear. Some stories end, but not with me, I'll trap you here eternally. Sara gasped and held her ground while flying letters whirled around. She grabbed the book that spoke before, its pages shaking, wanting more. Close it quick, cried brave Ayyan. He clapped it shut with trembling hands. Slam! The wolf dissolved in air, the shelves grew quiet everywhere. The children fled, hearts thumping fast, the midnight spell was gone.